In this video, I'm going to be showing distressing techniques using household items. Using a sharp pair of scissors, gently make some small holes. I'm using a rough sandpaper to make the holes wider and give it a more natural look. I want this top to have a dramatic look, so I'm adding more holes. Cutting the bottom of the top makes the item look less new. And now I'm using a crafting knife to score the fabric, which I will then go back over with sandpaper to create a rougher look. Continue to repeat the process front, sides and back of your item. The fraying and laddering of the material takes a bit of patience, but the outcome is so worth it. This fraying effect can be used on denim and most other fabrics. Once you're happy with your fraying, you can continue with further texture examples, like adding paint, bleaching, burning. Just be careful. And there's your finished look. Thanks for watching.